to week 2. I'm going to take you through our homework for week 2. What are we doing this week? As usual, we are going to start looking at the spellings for this week. Let's look at the sound that we have this week. We are going to look at 2 letters and then sound those 2 letters together. The first letter that we have, it's a M. The next letter that we have, it's a K. That's the sound for this week. When we put those letters together, it's NK. NK. What words can we make with this sound? We actually have 10 words that we're going to have with this sound. The first word that we're going to look at, it's where mommy and daddy goes in town to keep their money. What is that place called? It is actually called a bank. How do we write bank? Sound the word bank with me together. It's B, A, and then K, bank. That's our first word, bank. Let's go to the next word. Our next word for this week is this word. You do the sounds together with me, and then we are going to say the word together. The next word is S, I, N, K. This word, we use it on our daily life. How do we use it? We always wash our hands in the sink. When we go to every toilet at school, we have a sink. So this word here is sink. Let's go to another word. This word also, we use it every day. Let's go through the sounds, and then we are going to say the word. What is the word? D, R, I, N, K. Drink. Nobody doesn't use that word on a daily basis. We all need to use this word. Why? Because we all drink water, we all drink juice, we all drink tea. Let me take you to the next word. This word, normally, it's the girls that love this word. Which word is this? Let's all look here. The first letter is P, I, N, K. This is a favorite color for most of the girls. You love pink things. Most of the times you say, Mommy, buy me a pink t-shirt. Mommy, buy me a pink pencil. Mommy, buy me a pink top. So this is a favorite color for most of you girls everywhere. Let's go to the next word. The next word, it's B, L, I, N, K. Blink. blink. What does that word mean? Right now, when you look at me, I'm actually blinking. I'm using my eyes to blink. That's the word blink. Let's go to the next word. What is our next word? Our next word is this one. Ink. Most of our pens have got ink. For a pen to write, it needs to have ink inside. Let's move on. The next word is a tank. Most of you in your homes, because we have water problems in Malawi, we have tanks. Even if we go at the car park there, we can see blue tanks. This word is tank. Let's go on the next word. This word, I want all of you to use it as you are doing your homework. Which word is that? It's Everyone needs to think. You all use your brain to think. Whenever you're doing something, you need to think. Let's go to the next word. Wink. We said blink, we can blink our eyes. Wink, we can also use our eyes to wink. Right now, I'm winking at you. Let's go to the next word. What word is this? It's trunk. The trunk of a tree. A trunk of a tree. So there we are. These are the words for this week. We have bank, sink, drink, pink, blink, ink, tank, think, wink, and trunk. So those are the words that you have to do. And by the end of the day, I'm sure Mommy is going to give you a spelling test. Let's move on to something else. The other work that we need to do is actually writing these words for 4 days. We are going to write the same words that I've introduced. You are going to write them on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and lastly on Thursday. Let's move on. We now have sentences. Which words are we making sentences with? We have sink, we have blink, we have wink, we have think, and we have trunk. 5 sentences that need to be made. Remember, don't let anyone help you with making of sentences. You use your head to think. Use your brain to think and make short sentences. The sentences shouldn't be too long. They need to just be short and make sense. Let's move on. Our next work is we are making a set of 10. We have beetles. Those beetles, they've given us an example. It says 1 plus 9. If you look at a beetle, it has 2 wings. And in those wings, we have to put the dots. Here where there's 1, we've put 1 dot. Where there's 10, where there's 9, we've put 9 dots. 1 and 9, put them together, is going to be 10. On this one, it's blank. You have to make your own addition to make 10. But make sure you check that addition is not anywhere else. Another example that they've given us is 2 plus, they've put 2 on 1 wing. Here you have to put any number. It can be 7, it can be 8. It's up to you. But so long as when you add up all these dots that you've put in the 2 wings, they are going to give you a 10. You can do with the other beetles, but don't repeat the same sum on 2 beetles. Let's move on. Here also is the same. The same work applies. It's all about finding bonds of 10. That's what we have. That's all I had for you in the second week. Please remember to be safe. No hugs, no kisses, no shake hands, and make sure all the time you wash your hands and you use sanitizer. Have a lovely week. Thank you.